Okay, so we're going to learn how to wedge clay today, and we wedge for 3 reasons. Number 1, to get some moisture out of the clay. So when you wedge, you'll see some moisture on the table. To get air bubbles out, and if you do this the right way, you won't. You shouldn't have any air bubbles. And also to create this shape so that it goes nicely on the wheel, and we align the particles in a spiral so that when you put it on the wheel for wheel throwing, the clay already wants to be in that circular shape. So you're going to start with a lump of clay, and I usually make my hands kind of like a triangle, and you're just going to use a rocking motion. So your first motion is to rock forward a little bit. You don't want to press down super hard and smash it. And then you're going to pull it back and turn about a quarter turn. And you're going to do the same thing, and it's just repeating that over and over each time. So I kind of slow it down, but in real life, you can start to see that twisting in on itself right here. That spiral is starting to form, and it's kind of like winding up a string is what I like to think about. So I'll go a little faster, and you're just going to do this a few times, because if you do it too much, you might dry your clay out too much. So it's very like fluid rocking motion back and forth, a little turn each time. And when I'm done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it this way on my hand. That's going to be the bottom. And then I'm going to tap it into a cone shape. These cones are what will go and take on the wheel, and we can throw with those cones.